This is priority. In emergency situations potentially threatening the well-being of thousands, reliable real-time communication between authorities is necessary. At a busy harbour next to one of Finland's largest cities, one of the containers is damaged and leaking a toxic substance. A security guard calls the emergency centre, where a dispatcher forwards the task to the local rescue department using the Erica system. The executive fire officer on duty receives the alarm through a group communication service, relaying a live video call with real-time location tracking and reporting. The executive fire officer uses the group communication service to talk to the units following her to the scene. The executive fire officer talks to the guard who reported the emergency for more details. The officer tries to give a command to his units but notices that network service is unavailable. A tactical base station is set up for dedicated local radio coverage to secure access to mission-critical services. This allows the users to communicate and exchange information even if the mobile networks are not available. To access public or centralized mission-critical services, the tactical bubble can be connected to the internet using alternative methods including wired and wireless connections, depending on their availability. For example, a terrestrial wireless link can be established through TV broadcast towers or other existing communication masts equipped with tactical radio equipment. In addition, a satellite backhaul link can also be used. Using a robot dog, the rescue authorities assess the leaking substance as well as the extent and progression of the leakage. Video stream from the site depicting the toxic cloud is transmitted to the group communication service. Based on the video sent by the robot, the rescue authorities are able to start confining and blocking the leak. The rescuers wearing biosafety suits start their work. Suddenly, a cyber attack tries to prevent communication between the authorities. The Tactical Security Operations Center identifies the denial of service attack and autonomously mitigates by adjusting priorities of video streams. Body camera video is transmitted to the control room as the leak is blocked and the toxic substance is collected and neutralized. Finally, the hazardous container is moved to a safe location using a remotely operated tractor. The Priority Project tests new critical and remote communication as well as security solutions for the use of authorities and companies. In addition to accidents causing serious chemical hazard, critical communications are important in the case of major disasters, cyber attacks, terrorism, pandemics, or natural disasters. In these occasions, public authorities and critical operators can be provided with comprehensive and efficient wireless broadband services. This is priority.